Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your BNB from Bitmart to your Phantom wallet. It's a simple process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you do it safely and efficiently. Why bother? Well, Phantom is a popular wallet for Solana and other chains, and transferring assets like BNB gives you more control over your funds. First things first, before we get started, ensure you have a Bitmart account with some BNB in it and that your Phantom wallet is set up on your device. Download it from the App Store if you haven't already, and make sure it's connected to the right network. BNB is on the BNB Smart Chain, so double check that. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. Find your BNB balance there, it should be easy to spot. Next, click on Withdraw next to your BNB. This will open a form where you need to enter the withdrawal details. Now, here's the crucial part. Copy your Phantom wallet address. You can find this in your Phantom app under the Receive or Deposit section. Paste it carefully into the withdrawal form. Remember, crypto addresses are case sensitive, so no typos allowed. After that, specify the amount of BNB you want to withdraw. Keep an eye on the minimum withdrawal limit and any fees involved. Bitmart might charge a small fee, and there could be network costs too. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll probably need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. Now, sit tight. The transaction might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head over to your Phantom wallet and refresh it to see when the BNB arrives. If it doesn't show up, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like BSC Scan. And there you have it. Your BNB is now in your Phantom wallet, ready for whatever crypto adventures you have planned. Always prioritize security. Never share your private keys and double-check addresses. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. Drop a comment below if you run into any issues, I'm here to help.